Hello, today our topic of discussion is Houston Maritime Attorney. As I have prepared a previous video which elaborate many things, now this part you may consider it as a second part of the video. Just like other industries are at the risk for suffering work related injuries anytime they are on the clock. The courts recognize this and are continually working to protect injured seamen through general maritime law. Maritime law gives workers who have been injured offshore or in the maritime industry the chance to claim necessary compensation for any suffering medical complications. Houston Maritime Attorney USA and Canada. Today our topic is and now we move on to this law is nearly as old as the shipping industry itself and govern more accidents that occur on the native waters. The law roots can be traced back to unwritten customs of nautical behaviors of Egyptians and Greeks. However, the earliest formal codes were established around 19 BC on the Greek island of Rhodes. The original maritime laws and codes stem from the Asian customs and rules of shippings. For example, the concept of separate legal authority regulatory maritime issues was brought to the West, who learned of the concept when she accompanied her first husband, King. The term Admiralty law came from the British Admiralty Court, who presided over maritime matters separately from England's common law court at the US judicial system is based on the British system. Admiralty law was gradually incorporated into our legal system soon after the Constitution was ratified. Though still based on the industry standards and customs, maritime law is largely found in the US constitutions and international conventions, federal laws, and other judicial decisions, administrative regulations, and customs. When does maritime law apply? Perhaps most obviously, maritime laws appeal to the events that occur on high seas. In other words, accident that's happened beyond the territorial waters of any countries. Furthermore, maritime law applies to the territorial sea, which are water with 12 minutes off the shore. However, the law applicably becomes less clear further inland. Early in the United States history, maritime law did not apply to incidents that couldn't with the body of the country and therefore excluded incident involving the Great Lakes and inland waterways. However, throughout the 19th century, this exclusion eroded away. Now we switch on to our next topic. Maritime law is now applied
हाँ जी नहीं नहीं
Maritime law is now applied to navigate water states to be deemed navigate a body of water may be named if it is a link in a chain of bodies. Water can be used to service interstate commerce. Ultimately, the test is that the commerce of one state must be capable of being carried into another state, a foreign country. Once this test has been passed, it is likely the maritime law will be applicable. Now we are concluding our topic. Incidents that require Texas Maritime Accident Attorneys, Houston Maritime Injury Attorneys exist to help injured seamen or So these are the main topics which we have discussed. Austin Maritime Injury Attorney exists to help injured seamen or dock workers get the compensation they need to recover from serious injuries and afford long-term medical costs that occurred offshores. That includes any accident that occur on rivers and oceans in the harbors or docks. And that is all we have for today video. I'll make more videos for you, so stay connected. Until then, goodbye.